In the world of technology, innovation never sleeps. With each passing year, remarkable gadgets emerge, captivating our imagination and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the coolest gadgets that will undoubtedly blow your mind. From a mesmerizing drone to a virtual reality marvel, these devices are set to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. So before we continue, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. And don't forget to check out the links in the description and pinned comment if you'll like to try some of the latest gadgets out. So let's go. 1. DJI FPV Drone. The DJI FPV drone is a remarkable gadget that takes the world of drone flying to new heights. It combines the thrill of high-speed racing with the immersive experience of first-person view flight, offering an adrenaline-pumping adventure for pilots of all skill levels. One of the standout features of the DJI FPV drone is its incredible speed. It can reach impressive speeds of up to 87 miles per hour in just a few seconds, giving users a taste of the exhilaration experienced by professional drone racers. This speed is facilitated by a high-performance propulsion system and a sleek aerodynamic design, allowing the drone to slice through the air effortlessly. The FPV experience is taken to the next level with the DJI FPV Goggles V2, which provide a truly immersive flight experience. These goggles offer a high-definition video feed with a wide field of view, allowing pilots to see exactly what the drone sees in real time. The low-latency transmission ensures minimal lag between the drone's movements and the display in the goggles, providing a seamless and responsive flight experience. Equipped with a 4K camera mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, the DJI FPV drone captures stunning aerial footage and allows pilots to live-stream their flights to the goggles or a connected smartphone. The camera's rock-steady stabilization technology ensures smooth and professional quality footage, even during high-speed maneuvers. 2. Amazon Echo. The Amazon Echo is an innovative and versatile smart speaker that has taken the world by storm. Powered by Amazon's intelligent voice assistant Alexa, the Echo has transformed the way we interact with technology and brought the concept of a smart home to life. At its core, the Amazon Echo is a high-quality speaker that delivers impressive sound for its size. Whether you're listening to your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks, the Echo's audio performance is sure to impress. With its 360-degree sound projection, the speaker fills the room with rich, immersive audio. What sets the Amazon Echo apart is its integration with Alexa. Alexa is an AI-powered assistant that responds to voice commands and performs a wide range of tasks. You can ask Alexa to play music from popular streaming services like Spotify or Amazon Music, check the weather, set alarms and timers, read the news headlines, and control compatible smart home devices. The Echo acts as a central hub for your smart home, allowing you to control various devices with simple voice commands. From adjusting the lighting and temperature to locking doors and even making coffee, Alexa can seamlessly integrate with a wide range of smart home products, making your life more convenient and efficient. 3. Garmin Venu 2. The Garmin Venu 2 is a cutting-edge smartwatch that caters to fitness enthusiasts and those seeking a comprehensive health and wellness companion. Packed with advanced features and a stunning AMOLED display, the Venu 2 empowers users to monitor their fitness goals, track their health metrics, and stay connected on the go. One of the standout features of the Garmin Venu 2 is its vibrant and crisp AMOLED display. The high-resolution touchscreen provides vivid colors and sharp details, enhancing the overall user experience. Whether you're checking your fitness stats, viewing notifications, or simply customizing your watch face, the display delivers an impressive visual performance. Fitness tracking is at the core of the Garmin Venu 2. Equipped with a wide range of sensors and metrics, this smartwatch offers comprehensive activity monitoring. It tracks steps, distance, calories burned, and floors climbed throughout the day. Additionally, it provides specialized activity modes for various workouts, such as running, cycling, swimming, strength training, and more. 4. Apple AirTag. The Apple AirTag is a compact and powerful gadget that helps you keep track of your belongings. Designed to prevent the frustration of misplacing items, the AirTag utilizes Apple's advanced technology to provide a seamless and efficient tracking solution. The AirTag is a small, coin-shaped device that can be easily attached to keys, bags, wallets, or any other valuables you want to keep tabs on. With its sleek and minimalistic design, it blends seamlessly into your everyday items without adding unnecessary bulk. Setting up and using the AirTag is effortless. Simply pair it with your iPhone, and it becomes instantly integrated into the Find My app ecosystem. The Find My app is a powerful tool that allows you to locate your AirTagged items on a map, providing peace of mind knowing you can find them when needed. When you misplace an item, the Find My app guides you to its location using a combination of Bluetooth and ultra-wideband (UWB) technology. The precision tracking capabilities of the AirTag enable you to pinpoint the item's location with impressive accuracy. The app even incorporates augmented reality (AR) technology, overlaying virtual arrows and visual cues on your iPhone screen to lead you directly to your lost item. 5. Oculus Quest 2. The Oculus Quest 2 is a mind-blowing virtual reality (VR) headset that has captivated gamers and technology enthusiasts alike. With its cutting-edge features and immersive experiences, the Quest 2 has set a new standard for consumer VR devices. One of the standout features of the Oculus Quest 2 is its all-in-one design. Unlike its predecessor, the Quest 2 doesn't require a PC or external sensors to function. It houses all the necessary hardware and computing power within the headset itself, allowing for a truly wireless and portable VR experience. This freedom of movement opens up a world of possibilities, whether you're exploring virtual environments, engaging in intense gaming sessions, or enjoying immersive movies and videos. The Quest 2 boasts a stunning display with a resolution of 1832 x 1920 pixels per eye, delivering crisp visuals and vibrant colors. The high refresh rate ensures smooth and fluid movements, reducing motion sickness and enhancing the overall immersion. The headset also features built-in speakers that provide immersive spatial audio. And for a more private experience, you can use the integrated 3.5mm headphone jack or opt for wireless headphones. Each of these gadgets pushes the boundaries of technology and enhances our daily lives in unique ways. Whether it's capturing breathtaking aerial footage, enjoying immersive audio and smart home control, monitoring fitness goals and health metrics, tracking lost items, or diving into virtual worlds, these gadgets have proven to be game changers and continue to amaze users with their innovative features and functionalities. Whether you're a thrill seeker, music lover, fitness enthusiast, or virtual reality enthusiast, these gadgets are sure to leave you awestruck and craving for more groundbreaking innovations in the future.